So what about the master? Hey y'all, welcome back, and it's Xavier here, and we're gonna be watching Doctor Who. Alright, so it's the final episode of Jodie Whittaker's run as the 13th Doctor. 14th overall. Well, 15, because we have the what's the name again? Fugitive Doctor, right? So 15th overall that we've seen, including the Fugitive Doctor and the War Doctor, but 13 in our count. Right. Jodie's run has been mixed. There's been a lot of problems in her run. I don't feel it was necessarily her fault. It looked like it was more a fault of Chibnall with his writing and what he wanted done, as well as there's some problems with the last series about the flux. There's some problems regarding production, because I think I heard that it was supposed to be like, I don't know how many episodes that was, that like 6 episodes, and it was supposed to be like 8 or 10, and because of COVID and everything, things got thrown all out of whack, and so some of the stories got chopped up or not done as well as they should have. So I don't know, but that was just like a microcosm of overall. There's some good episodes, some bad ones, but mostly just meh. But I'm not blaming that on her, because she looks, let me see what that is. She's giving me good energy for like some of the decisions that they're having her make and all that. Not a fan, so but you know, she's done a good enough job, and kudos to her for giving it a go. Not every Doctor's run goes well. There's been some less than good ones in the past, so she's not the first. She's just the first female Doctor. And her run didn't go well, so that sucks. But so we're watching The Power of the Doctor. I've heard, unfortunately, I got spoiled a little bit about David Tennant is back for some reason. I know that he was filming scenes for Doctor Who, but I thought it was just basically about like in preparation for the 60th. This might still be for the 60th, but it just I don't know. So unfortunately I got spoiled about that, because I didn't mute stuff fast enough when I was watching it, and also YouTube, I follow a few Doctor Who people, review Doctor Who on YouTube and all that. So unfortunately, a couple of those channels, like their thumbnails and all that spoiled me. But I have no context for how it happens, and anything at all that happens in the episode, there's no Tennant shows up at the end somehow. Right, so I think that's all I need to say, and let's just start watching. Let's get into it.
Who is it? Who's attacking us?
Cybermen. It's not over. These are the ones that regenerate. They right, from
They're regenerating.
All frequencies!
that.
To the bill for help! Is there anyone out there? Yes, there is.
Oh, the Doctor.
Ready?
Could you not have got a
Hey. Yeah. No, not cool. Alright, what I was saying earlier was that these are the from the last series with the Cybermen who are Time Lords. Yeah, it's something like that. That the master. Or the Cybermen.
Identify the location of the cargo carriage or be deleted.
I'm not afraid of the Cybermen.
She's gonna be deleted.
Cybermen, we have evolved. We are your cyber masters.
For two, don't get shot! We need to bring it under control. We need to get the train to a halt. The controls are over there, as I showed you. Don't lose us on it. We need to find and keep the passengers safe and find out what those Cybermasters want with this train.
Or is he dealing with the fact he almost got killed? Yeah, that's a big deal. I can't blame you, man. I don't remember his name. Oh, Dan, right, yeah.
I'll deal with the Cybermen.
They're not ordinary Cybermen.
I know.
Oh, she knows. She was there at their creation. Oh, it's a child?
It's all right. Don't be scared. I'm the doctor. I'm going to protect you.
The doctor lies.
The doctor does lie. Well, yeah, I was gonna say past versions, but no, this doctor lies too. Oh, it's something happening in between, through time and space. Cause Siberia 1960, London 2022. Interesting.
From time to time, all their paintings need a little TLC, but this one was only restored 2 months ago. It required a little additional work.
Sure, that's a lie.
But there was also a card from the doctor. Ed, I haven't heard from the doctor for nearly 4 decades. Yeah, all right, Cheryl. Just because it's only 3 decades for me.
Cybermen.
I think we should go in.
Go in where? Also, right, I knew Ace and Tegan were gonna be in this season, in this episode special.
Pick you up again in 24 hours? Yes, you and I can try and pick up the trail of where the Cybermasters went with that child.
Yeah, he's kind of losing his zeal, his zest for this.
You don't have to come back for me.
He's jumping out. He's jumping ship.
Far from perfect, but I need to get back to it. I need to attack it. And I can now. Because I've been with you.
Yeah, that's fair.
I get it. Life's important.
Yeah, she's gone through
Life's
this.
important.
Yeah, she's gone through this number of times. She gets it. It's not new to her.
I upset her.
Not one for goodbyes. Whereas me? I'm glad to sit back here.
Sure you are.
Doctor,
No!
breaching transmission firewalls.
Get out of my TARDIS!
Offer you the key to the destruction of the Daleks.
Yeah.
Invades my TARDIS with a message offering to destroy its own species.
Exactly. Kind of weird.
Longer believe in the Dalek mission.
Sounds like a trap. Oh, Siberia to St. Petersburg. That must have been like a month of travel. Is Rasputin the master? Yep,
Such a tiny injury and such a terrible effect.
as I thought.
Are my eyes not full of certainty?
Yes.
Or is this hypnosis?
That you are the master, and I will obey you.
Oh, okay. That is a certainty. especially with whatever hypnosis powers he's developed.
Doctor?
Oh, a second TARDIS. What's going on there? Okay.
Nope.
Of course she's not gonna stay.
Quarantz. One of the great mysteries of the universe. I've never seen one before, Yaz. Sentient energy, enough to power planets and civilizations. They're so rare.
Oh, interesting. It makes sense why the child was just like, the face was, well, the child's face was kinda lifeless. But not lifeless, it was just, not lifeless, lifeless is the wrong word. It was just kinda blank, just a blank stare. Yeah, it makes sense, because it's not actually a child, it was just a projection. Okay, I get it, makes sense. Also, right, I totally get why Dan left, because his, it's like facing his mortality that kind of freaked him out. And also, someone the master has some kind of hypnosis powers. Kind of weird. I know there's a second TARDIS. Interesting. Alright, so back to the reaction.
Why is that?
Your master awaits, Doctor.
Doctor, what does it mean by that?
The master, that's what it means.
Have you any idea what's going on in outer space in 1916 right now?
Strangely enough, no. Oh, also, new freelancers don't cross.
Yeah, why would Kate know about 1916?
So, how have you been?
Like you care.
Tegan, we discussed this.
38 years.
I'm Yaz. The only one here who doesn't really know what's going on.
We used to be you, decades back.
I see.
Yeah.
Oh.
No, it's not the time.
So urgent, Kate?
Yeah. Yeah, let's move on,
You gave me an electric shock.
Sorry, my bad. I promise. I'm coming back. Ow! Oh, you are really staticky. We'll be back. Come on, Yaz.
I think I handled that quite well.
A bit. Who knows? You know. Could have gone worse.
This is the day you are erased from existence. Forever.
Nah.
We have a conversation stop.
Take the gun.
Yes, she must be worried. Though she didn't like guns.
Fine.
Not unless it calls for it.
Can I let you in on a little secret?
Sure, go ahead.
I ingested the Cyberian, the battle AI of the Cybermen. I'm so many steps ahead. I can see it all. Right through to all our end.
Ace, Tegan, need you to stay here and monitor the master. We won't be long. Professor, where are you going?
She really doesn't want us back in there.
Probably for good reason. With whatever she did with their screwdriver.
Daleks. On the same day as the master and Cybermen. I know. They're either separate problems or all part of one bigger scheme. He doesn't have that power. He couldn't corral Daleks and Cybermen. Could he?
Huh? Maybe.
Ooh. Sorry, I am really staticky today. I'll take down there. Meet you back here. Be careful. I'm supposed to be the one saying that to you.
Yeah, exactly.
Seismology. Volcanoes. Daleks. And the master.
Yeah.
No,
It's
this is not good news.
not good news at all.
Oh, didn't want to stay inside your back. Oh, Tegan. Do you really think the Doctor cared enough to send you even one meager toy?
How's he doing that?
The Doctor didn't send you that.
Ah,
I decided.
Of course.
That ain't just any Cyberman. It's a Russian doll.
Why isn't it working?
We'll long ago develop resistance to gold.
Oh boy.
Was this your plan? To lure me in and then betray me?
I did not betray you. The traitor speaks the truth. We allowed the traitor to contact you.
Oh.
Exterminate the traitor.
Damn, they're not playing around.
Enter the casing, Doctor. Pivot spatial temporal shift.
I can do this.
Can you? Oh, she took notes. Oh, very good, very good.
Doctor's in danger. There must be Dalek teleporters that we can follow. That you can lock onto. Why am I talking to you?
Because it's alive, that's why you're talking to it.
Master's Dalek plan. Or the Cyber Dalek master plan. Cyber Master's Dalek plan. Can't quite get it.
Yeah, workshop it a little bit. It needs a workshop.
Not a diversion. Very important. Three-phase plan.
Okay, name them.
You'll see.
Oh, okay, you're not gonna name us. Okay. Lame.
You don't have the technology.
I do. I do.
Oh, the Quarunks?
When I ransacked Gallifrey, I took everything. But where would you get the power?
Yeah.
If only I had built for this purpose.
Oh, okay. That's why he has the planet. Okay. The Quarunks, I was right.
Okay, Doctor. This is my last roll of the dice. Been carrying this around.
Okay, I like this. I like them in playing the song just for this. Yeah, they're really questioning their decision right now. Yo, this is wild. Did it work? It worked. What the hell? So what about the master?
Come on, yes. Let's go on an adventure. Don't make me ask twice. I'd hate to have to bring you down to something.
Oh, I don't think he's not asking, he's telling. He was telling her.
I'm going to make the Doctor a byword. Fear, pain, and destruction. So when people hear that name in the future, they're quick.
If you think I'm gonna let you...
I am the Doctor now! I am the Doctor!
Try to escape or touch anything, I'll kill you.
He means it. Oh, little what's his name? Oh, jeez, I forgot. Sorry.
And I have all the time.
Oh, that's very evil. What is this place? This is a place for all regenerations? Old versions of the Doctor?
We are not finished.
We being.
Vestiges of your consciousness. Fragments of yourself.
From the past.
Guardians of the end.
Sorry, why are you not wearing?
I don't do robes.
Has to be different.
Existence. It's symbolic, obviously. Consciousness will do that.
Oh yes, of course.
Go past here. There's no way back.
To get the doctor back. If you're seeing this, I'm dead. Is that a bad way to start? Bit overdramatic?
No.
Not a chance. I've seen it in extreme circumstances. It's incredibly dangerous.
You don't have much of a choice. You gotta do it.
These extreme circumstances?
Yes. Oh, that was a cool shot. I like that one.
We could have fun, you know? I am fun.
Yeah, but the wrong type of fun. Oh yeah, let's see, different type of fun.
Sort of look like you used to, but quite.
I could say the same to you. Since you left and I never thought of you again. I never forget any of you. I remember everything.
It's never fine, Mustafa. Sometimes, sadly, it's the only solution. I was only ever trying to teach you good habits, Ace. Obviously, I failed.
You never failed me, Professor. You made me the person I am today.
Yeah, well, that's nice, really. Some closure for her.
So, we're good.
Oh, we're more than good. We're Ace.
Graham!
Listen, those metal things, they are from outer space, and they seem to be drilling to disrupt the tectonic plates. We've got to get rid of them a bit sharpish.
I know.
Yeah, she knows.
Got with them in 1963.
1960. How old are you?
Excuse me, a gentleman never asked that, and never on the first date. I'm Ace.
Yes, you are.
Okay then.
Your conversion shall begin.
Well, that's a good command though. Sacrificing herself for her soldiers. Oh! Was jumping a good decision? I don't think so.
You're so much better than me. Why didn't they spot her come in?
What's going on? Who are you?
The Doctor.
I'm the Doctor, mate. Hopefully, enough to reverse. It's happening.
Did you see?
I doubt it's safe.
Good luck, Doctor.
Ah, that was cool.
What I missed?
A lot. You missed a lot. Okay. So it reversed on them.
We used to be friends. Him and me.
So how do we fix with those problems?
Yeah, that's more important here right now. Thank you.
I would like to go in the TARDIS.
Kate?
Yeah, go! Yeah, I was wondering about him that they just left him alone.
So now it really is crowded in here, just how I like it. There you go. I'm gonna need every single one of you. Stand there. No, not that. There. Yes. Good. Okay. Everybody okay?
No, I don't understand.
Hey. Quiet it now. Quiet, right, please.
How is it bigger on the inside?
That was cute. She's icing all the volcanoes. Icing is a figurative term.
You gambled and you lost. And now your body's failing because of what you put it through.
Maybe
But yours is failing too.
be the doctor.
Oh no, that's not what he's gonna say.
Neither can you.
Oh! Whoa. Oh yeah, that's definitely a life ender.
Why is the cloister bell ringing? Doctor, put your hand.
Regeneration?
How many times do you think you've saved her?
Countless.
I've lost count.
Exactly.
Nobody else got to be us. Nobody else got to live our days. Oh, I have loved being with you, Yaz.
This is a good speech so far.
And I have loved being me.
I would have liked her to stay on, but unfortunately, no.
What are you doing here?
Didn't you get your invite? I'm Graham, and apparently I've got to be the first one to talk, so... Right.
Oh, it's a support. Is this a support group for companions?
But I do miss her.
Sorry. Did you say her?
How many doctors are there? I think we're going to be here quite some time. Of course she's okay.
She's the doctor.
She's a doctor. Doctor whoever I'm about to be. Tag. You're it.
Ooh, this is a nice regeneration scene. Not gonna lie. Very nice.
I know these teeth. What?
Yeah, exactly. What?
What?
I'm sorry this was ruined for me. I hate that. Alright, so we just finished watching The Power of the Doctor. I gotta say, I like that. So, first up, Toasting Cole as Ryan. Disappointed he didn't show up, but apparently he was too busy, which is what I figured. Scheduling conflicts or whatever, so, you know. But yeah. Also, before I get into the meat of it, that's some little stuff that I liked. Right, so I liked this scene where we had all the Doctor's past companions coming together for this little support group thing. Really appreciated that. That was very cool. And then, alright, just like that, there was no Ryan, but Kate Stewart. Really like that she finally got to experience the start down the TARDIS, because you know it's a once in a lifetime experience. And she did a little scene where she said, "Oh, how's it bigger on the inside?" Nice touch. Right. Who I seen was the companions there. Ian Chesterton, Joe Jones, Melody Bush. Those are the ones who weren't there from who what do I say this? They're the ones who were not in the main part of that episode with Ace and Tegan. Recognize Ian, surprisingly, but then I was just putting two and two together because he was one of the first companions, right? He was the companion of the first Doctor. Yes, yeah. Right, William Russell. Right, so I just put two and two together, so I figured he must be him, and also he looks the same. I watched a few episodes of the first Doctor's run, so that plus he recognized him, and so yeah, that's how I was able to put it together that it was him. But you know, that was a really nice touch. Did not other two I did not recognize them. I know the names Ace and Tegan because I've not watched. I think I've watched a couple, like an episode or two of them, but I've not extensively seen them. I know what they look like as their old self. That's why I was able to recognize them. Well, no, I was able to recognize Ace. Tegan, I only recognize the name because they're spoken about on Doctor Who forums and stuff like that. But I haven't gotten around to watching their adventures with the Doctors and stuff. But yeah, so, and also to add to that, we saw who was the old Doctors that came up? So Colin Baker, Sylvester McCoy, Paul McGann. Is it Colin Baker, Sylvester McCoy, Paul McGann, and David Bradley as the first Doctor? Was that? Oh, also Peter Davison shows up. I forgot. Yeah, missed that. Yeah, but okay, right. So all them showing up for this last episode for Jodie Whittaker's run. That was really nicely done. I really appreciate that touch. Yeah. So further to that, let me talk about the episode. So it was well done. It was good. It wasn't amazing, but considering the previous run of this Doctor, it was good. Yeah, I was rated like a 7.5 out of 10 or something like that. Yeah. The visuals on point, a decent plot. It was understandable. It was coherent. Maybe if I think about this later, it will not be an element of some stuff I might have missed. But thinking about it, it was coherent, well done. I have to keep this short because stuff. But yeah, coherent, well done, acting on point as usual. Nothing hammy. Everyone got a little moment to have an impact. I don't like that. Wait, oh, that's for someone else, right? I don't really have any problems with the episode. In the fact, as it's everything was really wrapped up. Well, I thought the Cybermen got killed, Daleks got killed, the Master got killed, but Master's gonna show up again because they didn't burn his body or anything like that. They just left him on the planet, and they left the planet. The Master's gonna survive somehow. There's gonna be a future Master, but this version of the Master should be dead. So any future Master we see is gonna be a different Master, right? I would have liked Jazz to stay on for Tennant's run and the special stuff, but not to be. But we're gonna see Catherine Tate. So, and Bernard Cribbins. Wait, no, sorry, that's not his name. Wait, is that who's Bernard? The actor's name is Bernard Cribbins, right? Right, Wilfred Mutt. I'm thinking about the name Bernard Cribbins because he recently passed earlier this year. So I had that in my mind. He'd filmed some episodes or some scene, I don't know, and then he passed not too long after that. So rest in peace to him. I look forward to seeing his last appearance on film when it comes out next year. But yeah, so Sorry, I don't know. That was just cause I really liked him. But yeah, I'll talk about Tennant in a bit. But so this episode occurred and everything wrapped up really well. Maybe one or two things in it, but yeah, whatever. The Master's gonna show up again, but we got rid of the Cyber Masters. Ashada, that's his name, right? Yeah, he's gone. The Daleks got erased. Well, this version of Daleks, so. But the Daleks will show up again, cause yeah. Right, but speaking overall, I didn't like that they didn't wrap up the Flux thing. Cause the Flux made changes to the universe, and like they didn't deal with that. So I don't know. Chibnall didn't wrap that up nicely, cause unless I missed something, that was not dealt with. So disappointing, but and so that's a down point for me. But I really like the episode. I hate that Tennant coming back was ruined for me. Would have been a better reaction for me if I had not known that he was coming back. Yeah, nothing I can do about that, right? So I tried, but then I made a mistake on not like unsubscribing to the people I follow on YouTube who review Doctor Who. So whatever, but that's life. Everything else was a surprise to me. Other people showing up, Graham coming back, and then the end with the past companions, and also the Doctor showing up as the interfaces for her and for the companions. All well done, nice touch, no complaints. This was a good end to Chibnall's run and to Jodie's run, and I'm looking forward to seeing what RTD does with Tennant. See, I knew RTD Tennant was coming back with RTD, but I thought it was for the special. Well, not the 6th anniversary special. I did not know it was gonna be for him as the 14th Doctor. What? I don't get that. How? I really look forward. What? Him saying what? Nice. But yeah. So those are my thoughts. Good episode, good ending. Not a great run as Doctor, but nothing can be perfect. Any mistakes are no way out. I just hope that the next female version of the Doctor has a better showrunner. That's all I'm saying. Right. Those are my thoughts, and more Doctor Who next year. Looking forward to it. Bye.